What if I told you one photo is all it takes to create something absolutely insane? I'm talking thunder eyes, explosions, slow motion punches, total disintegration like you walk straight out of a blockbuster. No fancy gear, no editing skills, just one image. Here's how it works. You go to Higgsfield, sign up, and hit the effects tab. That's where things get wild. You'll find a library of mind-blowing visual effects. Pick the one that fits your vibe, upload your image, and hit generate. In just a few minutes, you've got a cinematic moment that looks like it cost $1 million to make. What's even cooler, did you know Higgsfield just dropped new AI avatar animation called Higgsfield Speak, which can make anything talk? You can even create Bigfoot viral vlog. It's not free, plans start at $9 a month, but the results, totally worth it. The real question is, are you ready to see yourself like never before?